To enhance our initial model even further, we can leverage the settings from the newly developed best model and continue refining the same hyperparameters or exploring others. In order to rebuild the model with the improved experiment settings, let's proceed with the following steps. In the experiments table, please locate the experiment with the best MAP value. Click on the 3 vertical dots on the right side of the experiment name. Then select the New Experiment option. This will bring you back to the Create Experiment page. Here, you can tune the hyperparameters to improve the score even more. Small note here. For those with access to our Adobe Learning Management System, your next assignment, called Assignment 2, Beat the Best Experiment Score, will be to tune the hyperparameters to further enhance the model's score. After making the desired adjustments, remember to click on the Run Experiment button, and then we'll be just about finished here.